Yo, what is up, guys? My name is Lightning Gamroid, and today I have a very special treat because we got news regarding Roblox Celebrity Series 9. Yep, Celebrity Series 9. So we already know what the box design for Celebrity Series 9 is going to look like. It's going to be a black and gold jewel box. We're going to call it that. And we have the official checklist. So we have the traditional 24 figures. We have 2 core packs, a game pack, and a vehicle pack for Brookhaven. Alright, Brookhaven's getting some representation finally. That one's a top most played game on Roblox as of right now. And in the mystery box figures for Celebrity Series 9, we are getting developer Goat RBX, the developer of Seconds Till Death. And I'm actually excited for that. I'm excited that he's actually going to be a toy. So, congrats to you, Goat. And yeah, I'm actually friends with Goat on Twitter. He has seen my videos, so thank you, Goat. Anyway, even though this series is going to be the smallest, I'm still excited for it. Quality over quantity. But I'm also going to factor in the imagination figures. There are 5 imagination figures for Imagination Series 5, so that's 35 to collect. Yeah, it is definitely going to be the smallest series. But I'm still excited for it. It's going to be a great series. Now on to Celebrity Series 8. I got both of the game packs. I found them on Amazon. And thankfully they actually didn't do it where they had one in stock but not the other, like what they did with Celebrity Series 7. But if you're interested in these, buy them while you still can. As far as Imagination Series 4, I did order one more. It's the Guillermo and Blast Mech figure. It is on the way. That hasn't arrived yet. But I did find the Gango Fries figure at Walmart. They did start rolling out the Imagination Series 4 figures at Walmart. But I unfortunately wasn't able to find the Guillermo and Blast Mech figure. But thankfully I did find Gango Fries, because that was the one that was out of stock on Amazon. So yeah, if you see something on Amazon, anything on this on Amazon, if they start getting listed and it's in stock, buy it right away. That is if you're interested in this. I did announce that I will be doing a video on this. Lily also did a video on this, and this is pretty cool. Basically what you have here is an advent calendar, but the figures that are included come with separate parts. There's one of the little doors here, the flaps, that just has the character's head, torso, and arms, and then another day has their legs, another day has maybe even some extra parts. So yeah. Also, this arrived. Yeah, this is the 2021 Minecraft Advent Calendar. You see it? Oh, and here's the back. We have 12 pieces right here. And we also have 12 stickers down here. Thing that I thought was cool about this, the 2020 edition. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold. I'm sniffling a lot. But yeah, I unfortunately don't have the 2020 Advent Calendar, but I do have this one. The stickers in the 2020 Advent Calendar show off all of the, well, not all of them, but some of the screenshots to the Screenshot Series, Series 13. Even the 3-pack exclusives. Oh, anyway, I'm not really feeling too well, so I'm gonna get right to this right away. We have Wizard Cats. Pause to read. Calico Druid and Chaos Kitty. Here they are right here. Never really played this, but... oh yeah, the box was a little bit damaged, but that's okay. As long as all the contents are inside. Especially this. Oh yeah, there was actually one Walmart I went to during Black Friday, and some kid thought it was a good idea to basically rip the boxes open just to steal the code out and leave everything else inside. Like, don't do that. Thankfully, I already had all those figures at that time. But, you know I care about the codes. It's not really the only thing I care about as far as these. I like seeing the figures. So here they are. We got Calico Druid and Chaos Kitty. Yeah, this is a Calico Cat. Hold on. Alright. Sure, let's... give me something to cut out. Calico Druid and Chaos Kitty. Let's take a look at the code. Got Mal Mage. We have these staffs. Or I guess they're scepters, whatever you want to call them. We have 3 of these. And 2 books. Alright. Well, I guess they're spell books. So yeah. And here's the checklist. Hopefully nothing has changed. Hope nothing has changed. Here's the front. I already have every mystery figure. Core packs. That's all I have left. I'm hoping to find them soon. I was hoping to find them at Walmart on Black Friday. They, for whatever reason, had these Celebrity Series 5 core packs. Yeah, I probably should be mad at that, but I, for some reason, am not. Probably because they were never really overstocked. Also, we got this little background. Looks nice. We have Kingdom Simulator, Thunder Sword, and... no, Thunder Saint and Sword Saint. So this one is... yeah. This is Sword Saint, and this is Thunder Saint right here. Let's read. Got it? Alright. Here's this. Royal Golden Wreath Crown. Looks cool. I like that. We got blue lightning bolts. Pretty cool. I guess someone is supposed to stand in this. Here's this. I guess this is supposed to go on you. Is that right? Yeah. I don't know why it's not when it should be. Really? 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 There's a piece of plastic in this. Sus, I can't even put your arms down. So here's Thunder Saint. And here's Sword Saint. Alright. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then hit that thumbs up button, show some love and support. But if you don't like this video, then hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys at my next video. Goodbye.